So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing secure boot is not enabled, learn how to use secure boot at geo.ea.com/secure boot error problem in Battlefield 6. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing how to fix this error problem. So guys, you have to follow the steps and do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, the first step is enter BIOS setup, restart your PC. While it reboots, press the BIOS key, usually F2, DEL or ESC, depends on your system. You will enter the BIOS screen. Now the second step is find secure boot option. Look under these sections varies by motherboard, boot security, authentication and advanced. Now the third is enable UEFI mode if not already. Secure boot only works in UEFI, not legacy mode. Find boot mode /CSM, set it to UEFI, disable legacy support or enable secure boot. This is the fourth. Enable secure boot. Locate secure boot settings. Set to enable. If needed, set secure boot mode to standard or Windows UEFI. Fifth is save and exit. Press F10 to save and reboot. PC will restart with secure boot enabled. Now the sixth is launch Battlefield 6 again. Make sure EANT is properly installed. Game should now run without the secure boot error. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.